Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Okay. So, wala ako sa regular kong setup. So, pagpasensyahan mo na. And at the same time, wala akong stand. So, ang ginawa ko para makapag-reading ako sa inyo ngayon ay nilatag ko na yung cards. Ayan, na kailangan ko. Playing cards lang din naman yung ginamit ko for today dito. So, at the bottom of the deck is the 8 of Clover. Tapos, no choice ako kundi hawakan na lang yung phone ng ganito. Ayan. Okay lang yun. Para mabilis lang din yung message. 'Di ba? And yeah, let's start your reading. At saka para medyo mas malapit ako sa phone since hindi ako pwedeng magmalakas ng boses kasi medyo madaling araw na din dito. So, nakakahiya. Okay? Pagpasensyahan mo na. So, anyway, simulan na natin ang reading. 3 of Diamonds is here. So, ito yung main energy mo. So, nakikita ko to as you want growth financially. So, yung iba pwedeng nagpo-focus ka sa finances mo kung paano mas mapapagrow ito or maybe your skills or anything na may kinalaman sa pagkakaperahan mo in the future. So, nandito yung focus mo ngayon. And I can see na some of you, marami ka pinagdaanan sa buhay mo na naging dahilan para mag-focus ka na lang muna sa sa career, finances, rather on focusing on personal things sa buhay mo. The 3 of Swords is here, or 3 of Spades. Okay, this is also like yung energy niya is the 3 of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So I feel like this is, you could be dealing with not only one person sa ngayon, maybe 2 or more. Yeah, so ikaw nakakaalam niyan kung ilan ang kakonect mo. And the 7 of Diamonds is here. This is you. Your main energy is that you are focusing sa pag-develop ng skills mo, pag-develop ng skills ng mga tao sa paligid mo, and you want them to learn. Kasi nga, either ito ay makakatulong para sa iyo, makakatulong para sa kanila, or makakaitulong para sa inyong lahat. Ayan. By the way, kung ayaw mo na ganitong klaseng reading, pwede ka naman mag-next video. Hindi ko naman pipilit yung sarili ko sa'yo. Okay? So, anyway. Ang sungit, ano? Pero anyway, kasi may mga nagko-comment, ayaw nila ng ganito, ganyan, or what. Pwede ka naman manood ng ibang video, diba? Jack of Clover is here. This is the person that you're dealing with. I can see communication. So, kung wala kayong communication, this could be the person na kakonect mo ngayon. Whether may love intentions or whatsoever. Yung iba, pwedeng this is a person na magbibigay ng advice sa'yo or nagbibigay na ng advice sa'yo. Or this is a person who is telling you kung ano yung magandang gawin sa buhay mo. So, with the Queen of Clover, this is a friend or a person na pwedeng magbibigay sa'yo ng mga financial advice for your future with the 8 of Hearts. So, kung may love na involved dito, this person is showing a sign na parang nakikitaan niya ng potential future yung connection ninyo. So, 3 yung Jack na nagpakita sa akin dito. Jack of Hearts, Jack of Clover, Jack of Diamonds. So, there's a young energy. So, you could be young, feeling young, or being with a young person, or dahil sa presensya or tulong nitong person na to, somehow parang lumabas yung yung young energy mo. You know what I mean? 7 of Hearts is here. So, this is your emotions as of now. So, 7 of Hearts, this is showing to me as your goals, dreams na gusto mong ma-achieve. So, you're having a lot of pag-iisip ngayon, daydreaming ngayon. Yan, where you see yourself 5 years from now. Ayan, so nandun yung focus mo. Technically, more on sa sarili mo rin yun. And then, person nakakonect mo with the Jack of Diamonds, nakikita ko ng Nakakita ka ng person na parang gustong mag-present or magbigay ng something sa'yo. With the Six of Diamonds, nakikita ko ito. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Well, nakikita ko na ito person na to gusto makipagtulungan sa'yo. Gusto niya ng equal give and take. And Five of Spades, pwedeng itong person na to is pwedeng may mga changes sa buhay niya ngayon na pwedeng I feel like ayaw niya nang mabalik. Ayaw niya nang maulit. And that could be with regards sa relationship niya with the past. So, kung issue yung past sa'yo with regards sa person na to, wala siyang pakialam sa past na yon. Or ayaw niya nang isipin yung past na yon. Okay, Six of Hearts in the future. Nakikita natin ito as you. Actually, Six of Hearts, some of you moving on from something, pero moving on in a way na you are more open sa kung ano yung mga dadating at ibibigay sa'yo. Also, this is showing with the Queen of Hearts na you are open for love and you are open to give love at the same time in the future. Lalo na 8 of Clover is at the bottom of the deck. So, ito nagpapakita itong 8 of Clover for me na parang actions regarding the future na may kinalaman sa mga new beginnings. I feel like yung iba may kinalaman yun sa career mo. Like a new beginning pagdating sa mga bagay na nasa isip mo nasisimulan pagdating sa career. Okay, 8 of Diamonds. Okay, may angel number dito, 888. So, I don't know kung nagpakita ba sa'yo yun recently. The number 888, whether accidentally. Anyway, 8 of Diamonds, this is showing to me as a person who is working hard, focusing sa career. Kasi may plano siya. And yung plano niya has something to do with you. I feel like may gusto siyang gawain. The Six of Clover is here. This is action card. And parang gusto niyang makita. Like this is a dating kind of energy. Gusto niya makipag-date sa'yo. Gusto kanya makita. Gusto niyang makipag-reconcile or makita ka sa personal. Could be. And so, yeah. Some of you, this is a new connection. For others of you, this could be just, a person na pwedeng may connection kayo, pero yung sa kanya, gusto niyang mailagay sa realidad kung ano man itong connection na ito. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hopefully, nabigyan kita ng guidance, ng advice, ng reading. Well, actually, the advice for me personally is to focus on yourself kasi more on self-development ang nakikita natin sa'yo dito. So, yan, focus on yourself, your development, and sige, hingi tayo ng advice from the spirit guides. Medyo mahirap nga lang kasi wala talaga ako stand. Wait lang. Okay, so, the advice for you ng ating spirit guides is, you do have the Joker. This is, take the risk, focus on your beginning. Diba? Huwag ka matakot. Huwag mong pigilan ng sarili mo. Don't stop yourself with the 8 of Spade. Ayan. Just allow yourself na dumating or dalhin ka sa, kung ano man yung ipepresent ng universe sa'yo. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.